Welcome back, bro. I was just about to record. Oh, I was recording a little bit ago, but you know, the battery died. I'm not usually this type of person that just don't charge that shit, bro. I swear I charged it. Maybe not the other one, but I swear I charged my my batteries. But that shit was dead. Yo, where the fuck is my Oh shit. Yo, I'm so glad I didn't drop my wallet, bro. That could have been tragic. But yeah, I think the snowstorm is done though. I think we're done. At least over here, I think we're done with the snowstorm and shit. I don't know about other places and shit. Cause we barely get snow, and this was, you know what I'm saying? It wasn't a lot of snow, but it was more than previously. So yeah. I had to step on it. I was gonna do an ASMR though. It's gonna be, you know, I think we're done with snow. That's gonna be the title. But you know what I'm saying? The battery died, and I had to park somewhere. You know what I'm saying? Change the battery. So I'm talking right now. Hopefully the camera angle good though, cause I can't really see on this. I think it only goes out on the phone though, so I probably need to get like a tablet or a fucking iPad or a new phone or some shit. I'm gonna get a new phone if it goes out on the phone. So some shit that's not gonna go out on, so I can actually preview it and see it. If you're wondering what this car is, it's a Kia Seltos. So for all y'all wondering, for all y'all wondering, if you're watching this and you wonder, it's a Kia Seltos. I don't know the color. I feel like it's like, I think it's yellow, but on the thing it said like it was gold or some shit. So I guess. When y'all driving, y'all pass somebody out, y'all better go back to the right lane. Not gonna lie, I be cruising in the left lane sometimes too, especially when I got an exit coming up. I be just cruising that bit, but you know what I'm saying? When I don't got an exit up, I try my best to stay in the right lane, cause that's what a good citizen will do. now. I'm only staying in this lane because I don't want to be behind that truck. Because I know eventually I'm gonna have to get back over here. So why not just stay over here and pass him and then turn? I guess accent shall receive. You know what's crazy? Recently I started buying shit at Walmart, like clothes, not clothes, but shoes. That shit. I know that's crazy. I was once a kid that never wanted to buy shit at Walmart because I was like, bro, you got that Walmart label. You know what I'm saying? None of that shit is real. That shit is trash. I mean, back then they didn't have good shit. They had some trash shit. I just bought these though. Y'all probably know what these is. I think they're tough, so I just bought them just cause they're my regular shoes, you feel me? I don't want to get my other shoes dirty. Oh, I haven't bought my other shoes that I really want to buy it. I'm gonna just stick with these for right now until I start making them big purchases. But I feel like me doing this is just gonna keep me humble and make me realize, okay, I shouldn't spend that much money, and also I shouldn't waste money on designer shit. Because if I can't put shit together from Walmart, I shouldn't be buying shit online to put shit together. You feel me? Because just because it has design on it don't mean the fit tough. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm trying my best to start from the bottom, I guess you could say. I guess Walmart is the bottom. You know what I'm saying? Buy shit from Walmart, put shit together, I get good at it, and then start buying shit from Nike, you know what I'm saying? Goat and them StockX, you know what I'm saying? Shoes and drip and all that. But right now at Walmart it is, bruh. Hey, so far it's comfortable though. I bought 2 pairs. One was like brown and white, and these is the white ones. I think I'm gonna buy the white and green and then the white and blue, cause you can't go wrong. You can't go wrong with white shoes. So I'm gonna buy them and I'm gonna just rock them out with it, with whatever shit I got and stuff. So far they're comfortable though. The other one isn't comfortable. I guess I got a size lower, so it wasn't that comfortable. It's kind of like fucking on my foot. But this is comfortable though, because it's a size above. What car is that? Let me know if y'all fuck with this color, bro. About this car. Is that Subaru? I think it's a slow. I think it's just a slow. I don't know if I just spit, but yeah. A little nice though. I like that the exhaust shit though. I don't like the color though, but I like the exhaust setup and shit like that. It's 9 minutes in this video. When I get off my exit, I just end this video out though. But thank y'all for showing love and shit. Buddy just cruising. He minding his own business. He probably just listening to music right now. Yo, for some reason today I just saw a bunch of people getting taking off YouTube. Bro, what the fuck? YouTube monetization program or whatever. That's weird though. Y'all know why? Just saw a bunch of people getting taken off. Does that mean that they ain't finna do that shit no more? They finna cut that shit off? And I was about to get monetized too. So when it wasn't my turn, everybody was getting the piece of pie. But when it's my turn now, YouTube wanna cut everything off. That's crazy work. But yeah, thank y'all for enjoying the video though. And I'll catch y'all next time. Peace.